Madison Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for northern Fayette County, Ohio, southern Madison County, southeastern Greene County, until 3 a.m. At 11:58 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Mount Sterling, Jeffersonville, South Solon, Midway, Bowersville, Octa, Interstate 71 at State Route 38, Bookwalter, Chenoweth, Madison Mills, Interstate 71 at US Route 35, Shady Grove, Big Plain and Rosemore. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.